In this video, we're going to take a look at Take Profit Trader, Apex, MyFunded Futures, and Tradeify, and what you need to know before you buy any of these prop firm challenges. And after watching this video until the end, you'll learn exactly which prop firm has the best deals out there and what you need to watch out for before you purchase your next evaluation account. Now, the first thing that traders normally look at when they're looking to see which prop firm they want to buy the evaluation from, the first thing their eyes focus on is price. And right now, Take Profit Trader is having a 30% sale off all their evaluation accounts. And once you pass, there's no activation fee. So in this video, we're going to compare 50K accounts across all these four prop firms that I currently trade with. So right now we can see with the discount Take Profit Trader has, the account is $119. Now, is this a good deal or not? In order to answer this question, we need to look at some of the other prop firms. Apex is known for having major discounts out there. And right now, Apex having an 80% sale off all their evaluation accounts. So you can see the normal price of the Apex 50K account is $167. However, with the current sale of 80% off, we can see you can get that account for right around $34. So at face value, you're looking, okay, $35 for a 50K account versus $119. Apex has to be the best account to choose, right? Not so quick. We come over and take a look at MyFunded Futures. Now, right now, you can get the starter plan, the 50K starter plan with MyFunded Futures. This sale only goes on until Monday, so it depends on when you're watching this video. You can get that account for only $82. Now, that's a pretty good deal. However, it's still more expensive than Apex, but it is cheaper than Take Profit Trader. Then we come over and look at Tradeify. Tradeify has a lot of different accounts we can choose from. And we scroll on down here real quick. The accounts that I trade are the straight sim to funded accounts. Now, the 50K account looks very expensive at $509. However, right now, if you use the link in the description box down below, it'll bring you to this page right here. Just simply use code SPRING. It'll bring you to the checkout page. And after you've already put that in, you can see that account is $330. Wow, that's the most expensive out of the four accounts that we just chose. So why would a trader want to spend so much money on this account size? And it's very simple. In the straight to sim funded account, there is no evaluation fee. So essentially, once you trade for 10 days, if you've met your profit objective, you can then go ahead and request a payout. However, here's something that a lot of prop firms do out here. Starting back at Take Profit Trader, once you pass the evaluation, when the sale is not going on, right now, they have no activation fee. But normally you'll see right here, they have fees for pro account. Once you pass the evaluation, you have to pay another $130. So right now with the current plan, it's actually a good deal because you only have to pay $119 and you do not have to pay that $130 activation fee. So right now, if you were to buy the 50K account with Take Profit Trader, it's $119. Once you pass, there are no other fees. With Apex, their account is, you can get that 50K account for roughly $34. However, once you pass the evaluation, there is a $130 activation fee. So if we grab out the calculator real quick and we just add this up, $34 plus $130, now you can see the Apex account, which at first seemed to be the cheapest, would actually be $164, assuming that you were able to pass the evaluation on the first time around. Now, something that's awesome about MyFunded Futures, they have no activation fee. So if you take advantage of the current sale of $82, that's all you would pay. So if you think about this, in order to get a funded account, out of the first three options between Take Profit Trader, Apex, and MyFunded Futures, MyFunded Futures would actually be the cheapest because you see right here where it says activation fee, there is none. Even if you were to buy this account when it was not on sale and you paid $97, that would still be cheaper than the other two evaluation accounts. In Tradeify, they're not even in the ballpark for the straight funded accounts. However, if you look at their advanced plan or even the growth plan, because right now they do have the sale going on, and we can see in the growth plan, there is no activation fee. If you think about that, if you were to take their discount off this, so if we're able to pull a calculator back up here, we go 139 times 0.30, we take $41 off of this price. And we can see that actually brings the cost to $97.30. And that is essentially right at the same price as the MyFunded Futures account. And in the growth plan, there is no activation fee. However, in the advanced plan, there is a $125 activation fee, but you can get that account for $69 and actually cheaper than that right now because all accounts are 30% off. Now we have two more things we need to consider when we're looking at purchasing an evaluation account, a challenge account with any prop firm out there. What we want to look at is, as we're choosing a different account sizes, one of the reasons the 50K account size is so attractive. If we look at the profit target, we have $3,000. We look at how much drawdown we get $2,000. Now, if we were to pull up a calculator real quick, and we simply go $2,000 divided by $3,000, we get a ratio of 66%. Now, the closer this ratio is to 1 is a lot more favorable. If you look at some of the higher account sizes, like the 150 account, which is one of my favorite account sizes to trade with Take Profit Trader, notice we get a $4,500 drawdown. And if we divide that by $9,000, that ratio comes in at 0.5. Remember, the closer to 1, the better the ratio. So in terms of the drawdown to how much you have to make, the 150K account is not the best. I will tell you the best account for that ratio is going to be the 25K account, and that's going to be across the board with any of the prop firms. If we look right here, we can see that we have $1,500 that we get for a drawdown. We divide that by the profit target of $1,500, and what do we get? A ratio of 1. So again, this is probably the easiest account to pass. However, you don't have a lot of scalability. You're limited to 3 contracts. Now, if we come over and look at Apex real quick and we look at their 50K account, with Apex, you get a little bit more in the 50K account. They give you $2,500 of drawdown. So if we look at that same ratio with Apex and we go $2,500 divided by $3,000, we say we have a ratio of 0.83. And with that 50K account, notice we can trade a maximum of 10 contracts. That's a lot of scalability in this plan. So if you're thinking about purchasing an account with any of these prop firms, you want to take a look at the ratio. My Funded Futures in the starter plan is a little bit different. Now, My Funded Futures, depending on which account you choose, in this example, we're talking about the starter plan, but the starter plus plan would be a little bit different because look at the drawdown. The trailing drawdown is $2,000. In the starter plan, we actually get $2,500. But it's not that simple because if you look, there is a daily loss limit. So the most that you can lose on any one day is going to be $1,200. So that does make it a little bit more challenging because you don't have the full drawdown amount per day. If you were able to get the full $2,500, it would make it a little bit easier, but then you got to weigh it out. Would you rather it be a little bit harder, but there's no activation fee? Or would you rather pay the activation fee and have all the drawdown available to you? With Tradeify, the account that I choose, there is an end of the day trailing drawdown, and there is that soft breach of $1,250. So again, that's something you want to consider when you think about, what trading strategy are you going to be trading with when you're trading with one of these prop firms? However, there's one more thing that we need to pay attention to, and I got to be honest with you. This is what's going to set Take Profit Trader apart from every other prop firm, and that is going to be the fact we come right over to what matters most, and that is going to be withdrawals. You can see you can start withdrawing as early as day 1, and with Take Profit Trader, as long as we're over the buffer zone, we can make a withdrawal every single day. The Pro or Pro Plus account is above the buffer zone. We come over and look at Apex real quick. We'll go to the FAQ. With Apex, you can see right here, you must have a minimum of 8 trading days since the last request to meet the minimum day requirement. We come over and we look at My Funded Futures, come right up here to the FAQ. Since we've been talking about the starter plan within this video, we're going to go ahead and stay on course. So go to FAQ, just simply type in starter right up here. And then I'm going to go to starter account overview, not starter plus, but starter account. Now, this is actually not a bad payout policy as well. So Apex, you had to trade for a minimum of 8 days. Take Profit Trader, only 1 day. And My Funded Futures, you have to have 5 days. And in the 50K starter plan, you must make at least $100 per day to count as a trading day. You can see right here, 5 winning days of $100. You have the possibility for weekly payouts. And I think that's very favorable. Now with Tradeify, if we come right up here and we go to the help center, we go right over there to where it says payouts. They are actually in the process of changing things up. I don't think it's on their website just yet, but you do have to trade a minimum of 10 trading days. And what they also had previously, they had payout windows. So you could only request between the 1st and the 4th, or between the 11th and the 14th, or between the 21st and the 24th. However, starting May 1st, that is no longer going to be a thing. The payout window is going to be gone. So Apex no longer has a payout window. Take Profit Trader, you can request every single day, so there's no payout window. In My Funded Futures, there's also no payout window. You only have to meet the 5-day requirement. Now, let me know in the comment section down below, which of these 4 prop firms do you like trading with best? And if you'd like to learn the difference between the Pro and Pro Plus account with Take Profit Trader, make sure to watch this next video right here.